It's the time of the month that I love so much. It's shortpar4.com time. Got a handy red sack this month in from shortpar4.com. Special thanks to my gallery out there. Make sure you pound like and whatever. I'm not posting this. I don't even know if I'm sending it to anybody. Brecky, that's enough. Piper, no. I'm going to show you what's in this thing. Clearly not shoes. You can tell by the way it ain't. If you think this is shoes, you're super dumb in the head. Okay, opening it up. It's a pretty easy process. Got something really bright. Oh, look at those pair of shorts. Size small, perfect. That's just for me. Boy, that is a bright color. Looks like the color is called Wild Lime. That sounds like a Truly flavor, which sounds amazing. One more thing in here. I'll look at that in a second. Did get the coin. It says shortpar4.com. That's wonderful. Been using those a lot. Got some stuff there. That's great. There's that. And then it also came with a shirt. Wow, that's an ugly shirt. Not a fan at all. And I'm not sure how that's going to match with this. Looks like a train wreck. But I do like the shorts color. And maybe I can make this shirt work with a nice pair of dress pants or something. We'll have to see. Thanks for tuning in. Brendan, say goodbye.